Didn't I say that to
Yeah,
you?
we've met one
Yeah, yeah.
time. We've seen
Didn't I tell you that I didn't want another of the judge's best friends trying to, call himself representing me? I'd already been through that with Deborah
Well,
Avamar.
you need to take it up with the judge. I'm not allowed to quit.
Well, you mean you're not allowed to quit?
I'm not allowed to
You
quit.
weren't
I'm not
allowed to
allowed
get
to
on. You were talking to me. You're trying to represent me, not the judge. You're not oh, well, you are representing the court, but you're not representing me. I told you flat out that I didn't want you.
Anderson,
What? Hold on. Don't. Huh? What did you say?
If you don't want an attorney, then we need to have to talk to the judge about that.
Well, I told you at the time in front of the judge, that I didn't want you, and that I was representing myself. Do you remember that? Do you?
I can only be relieved by court order. I cannot fire myself.
You cannot fire yourself. You were never hired by me. I'm competent. I don't need you for nothing. Okay, I'm just saying. What? What are you saying? Okay, listen. Okay.
Yeah, let me give you the Zoom number so that you can discuss this with the judge tomorrow, okay?
What? Oh, you want me to? Okay. Oh, sure. Why not? Let me get my ink. Do I have what?
Do you have a smartphone or?
Sure. But just give me the number. I have a pen in my hand.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Zoom in the morning at 8:30. There's the Zoom number is 443 323 980.
980.
Let's double check you got that right. 443 323 980.
Yeah, I have it right.
And I'll tell the judge you don't want me as.
No. You didn't have. Why are you repeating that for? Didn't I tell the judge while you were there the last time we were in court that I didn't want you?
It just doesn't work that way, though. I mean, I am an officer of the court. I have to do.
Yeah, and I'm the child's natural guardian that's been respected for the last million years since people have been on this planet. Before the courts and you. Okay, so I don't. So I told you that you couldn't represent me, and you went ahead without my consent. While we were in front of the courtroom. Oh yes, okay.
Right to this case, though. I saw your article about you in the paper, and that was really neat. And I would like to help you get your child back, but there are certain steps you have to take.
Look here, lady, if you saw that article, you know that I came here from Illinois. And if you know that I came here from Illinois, you know that that California law, is something that doesn't even come into my purview, because I'm still considered an Illinois resident. So if you don't understand that, why are we even talking?
I called you because I have a duty to contact you when you contact me, and you did, and so I'm giving you the Zoom number, and I'm telling you you have to ask the court.
Okay, well I'm calling about Baby Melody, and you were on that case, so you were there when they made their little decision, and their decision was to put my baby up for adoption. Is this what you're telling me?
I was not there. That was Javier Barraza.
That was who? Hold on. Oh my goodness. So when did this? When? Hold it, because I want to get this straight. You're telling me you weren't there for that ruling that a guy by the name of Javier Barraza?
No, let me explain. I was there. It was one of my first cases that I was taking over for someone else. I was there when your parental rights were violated, but I wasn't there when the things that led up to that happened. So I wasn't there to assist you to make sure that didn't happen. So
well, let me ask you a question.
I would like to help you get your baby girl back, but there's paperwork that needs to be filed child.
I'm talking about my daughter Melody now also. Okay, I'm not.
Yeah, but there was a year that went on before I ever met you.
Yes.
Whatever happened caused that judge to do that.
Cause that judge to do to make an illegal ruling. I mean, like you said, it went on long before you got there, and you know, and while we were in the courtroom, you heard me stand up and tell her that I was representing myself. So, what do you think about? You think that was caused that judge? I don't care what I caused that judge. That judge is totally illegal. That judge has been removed from the bench on this case once. So what do I care about what that judge? Because anything that judge is doing is just straight out retaliation.
Is it the lady judge that you're upset with?
Huh?
Which judge is it that you feel has been unfair to you? Is it the female judge, or was it an older male judge?
No, I mean, what judge was it before? It was before Judge Heinrich when when this ruling that I wasn't there for went down, right?
It's usually Judge Heinrich's. I was just wanting to make sure that you didn't feel someone else had treated you unfairly as well.
Well,
sometimes there are other judges there. I'm just trying to narrow it down.
Well, bottom line is, like I said, Judge Heinrich had already been removed from the case once, you know. So why would I be worried about her coming on to make another illegal ruling after she dismissed all her prior rulings in the case over the last year?
Well, she is the presiding judge of the juvenile court. So
yeah.
She's who you'll get unless, certain rulings take place. So she is hearing new baby's case 2.
Well, no. I'm still on case 1, and because case 1 isn't over. Okay, and case 2, as far as this is concerned, shouldn't even have been, because case 1 was illegal. All right. So and since they've already been busted, on illegal case 1, going on to case 2, is twice as bad as far as felonies are concerned. For all involved. So I'm not. I mean, right now, this is really a kangaroo court going on here. With all of the kangaroos.
With your permission, what I'd like to do tomorrow is I'll set what's called a Marston hearing. That is a hearing for you to fire me and to ask the court to represent yourself or to get.
I've already done that. I've already done that. You were there. We've done this. Are you telling me it's not on the record that we've already done this?
You need to tell Judge Heinrich that you want.
I've already done that with you present. What are you talking about?
This is a special procedure in order to.
A special procedure. You want me to repeat? You want me to repeat effort? What is it? It's not on the record that I asked this woman, told this woman that I was representing myself, and it's been erased also. Has that been erased also? So she.
You were in criminal court, you say I want to represent myself, and they just let you do it.
Huh?
But juvenile court, they don't necessarily just let you represent yourself.
Well, necessarily, yes. That I've been in that court a lot longer than you have. But the thing is, I'm that baby's father.
I'm going to respect your wishes, and I'm going to ask the court to have a hearing where you can fire.
I don't listen. And why would I legitimize that hearing by even allowing it when it's already been before this woman and we've already done this? You understand? This is going on to the next step. This ain't stepping backwards.
Well, this needs to be part of the record to
Well, yeah, well, I'm asking. That's what I'm asking. I'm asking you. You're telling me that when I stood up and told her I was representing me, that that's not part of the record.
What it was not granted.
It was not what?
It simply was not granted.
It was not. Who? I mean, if it was, it's not granted. I mean, if it's not granted, I mean, you weren't granted at that time. You had just come into the courtroom. I mean, this is the first time I'd ever met you. First time you'd ever met me. So at that particular time, I didn't have an attorney, right?
Procedure. I'll see you on Zoom.
Okay, yeah, I'll see you on Zoom too. Yeah, so we'll see who's zooming who. All right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, all right. Bye-bye. Uh-huh. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty sure you've heard the same thing I heard. The lawyer one admitting that she was there when this judge violated my parental rights by holding a secret hearing without me. And then I'm pretty sure you also heard her trip over her tongue, lying about, oh, she wasn't there, and then, oh, yes, I was there, yes, and Javier Barraza with a B, what? And this Javier Barraza character, as far as I know, this guy works for what they call CPS. In other words, he works for the welfare department. All right, he's the guy who actually, had the nerve to compare my wife to a young lady by the name, what they call Molly G, who was a 14-year-old drug-addicted mother. And I'm like, and he kept rolling around talking about, I've had cases like this before. I've had this case, the Molly G case. Now, Love is a civil engineer for the city of Chicago. Where does Love and Molly G meet at any vector, anywhere? But just hold on a minute. I'm going to show you a picture of this individual that the judge appointed, I guess, appointed or whatever, because none of them were appointed, because at this particular point, that this is a farce and a mockery. These are the same people. Hold on, I'm gonna pause here and I'll get back with you.